Good morning, Monday, April 27th. Today we are working on Unit 5, Lesson 2 for our lesson. Okay, that will go with homework and remembering 9-2 tomorrow. So today we are focusing on solving area word problems, and these word problems will have to do with real life situations. Okay, so page 329 on your class activity. Let's get started. On top, we have missing number puzzles. Now, these may look familiar to some of you. We've done some of them as just challenges, but some of us have not done them. They're really not hard. So let's get started on the first one right here, number 1. When we look at missing number puzzles, we want to look at what numbers are already on the puzzle for us. And just like a multiplication chart, we need to find numbers that multiply times each other in the shaded boxes to get their product that's in the unshaded boxes. So I can see one right away that's already solved for us. It's 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so they did that one for us already. But it looks like the rest of them might be that we have to solve for them. So let's start with this one up here. 30. One of the factors is 5. So we could either say 5 times what equals 30, or 30 divided by 5 equals what? Either one works. So what times 5 equals 30? 6. So let's put that in there. Okay, then we can just move right across here. 6 times 2 is 12. And the last one in the last column, 48 divided by 6, or 6 times what is 48? Let's think about it. What do you think it is? And if you said 6 times 8, you are right. Now let's check here. Now we kind of answer some questions here. We have one more. Is 8 times 4 32? Yep, if you can check your work and confirm that, you are right. We already have this one in the second row. 4 times 2 equals 8. Now 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay, so that all checks in. Last row here. We could say 5 times what equals 45, since they meet in our chart. Or 45 divided by 5 is 9. That means that 9 times 2 is 18. And is 9 times 8 72? Absolutely. That must mean that we have them all right if they all check together. So don't forget to do that on the rest of yours. Check your work when you're finished. All right, let's jump down to area word problems. We have solve each problem, label your answers with the correct units. So we know that we're going to be solving for area. Let's put our area formula over here real quick. Area equals base times height. So little b times little h. I'm going to show you another formula that may come in handy for area. It's the same thing but using different words. So when we use real world area problems, they will most likely use words like length and width. So that means basically base times height. So another way we can show this is area equals little l for length times little w for width. Okay, so same thing, just different letters. Number 4, the mattress has a length of 7 feet and a width of 6 feet. What is the area of the mattress? If you need to, we can draw it out. I always think that helps. So a mattress, kind of rectangle shape, a length of 7 feet and a width of 6 feet. And how do we solve for our area? We multiply 7 times 6, because 7 is our length, 6 is our width. And our area is 42 feet. Don't forget your squared, okay? So area equals 42 feet squared. All right. So you can keep going on that and finish the first page. And when you're done, I should say you can pause and keep going. And then when you're done, press play again and we'll keep going. All right. On the back here, this is going further. So this page is kind of a challenge. All right. So if you don't get it, that's all right. But I'd like you to try. This is problem solving, drawing a picture. So the most important step that you need to know when you're drawing a picture for a word problem is to go step by step. Slow it down, take your time. Let's try it out. Number 1, Anna has a ribbon that is 18 inches long. She cut the ribbon into 3 equal pieces. Then she cut each of those pieces in half. How many small pieces of ribbon are there? How long is each piece? Oh, there's a lot of information here. So let's go back to the beginning. Anna has a ribbon that is 18 inches long. So I'm going to draw a ribbon. Just going to do a long rectangle here. And I know that this is 18 inches long. So I'm going just to put that is 18 inches. You always want to label things. 18 inches. She cut the ribbon into 3 equal pieces. Well, let's think about how long these pieces are going to be. If it's 18 divided by 3, what is that? 6 inches. So each piece will be 6 inches, but we'll just cut it into 3. That's 6 inches. This is 6 inches. And this is 6 inches. Now, then she cut each of those pieces in half. So you need to think about that again, cutting it in half. So what's half of 6 inches? 3 inches. So how many small pieces of ribbon are there? You can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 small ribbons. And how long is each piece? 3 inches long. Okay? You can slow it down even more just to help you, but it's always good to go step by step so you don't get lost. Okay, let's do one more just in case. Number 2, a sign is shaped like a square. Okay? Eva draws lines in the sign to make 3 equal rectangles. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Each rectangle is 3 inches wide and 9 inches long. What is the area of the square? So let's think about it. If these are all equal lengths, that means that they're all going to be 3 inches wide. We already know our length here. It's 9 inches. So what should our first step be? I think we should add up our 3 rectangles. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. We'll just say 9 inches. And to find our area, we'll just put it up here. Area equals 9 times 9, which is 81 inches squared. Okay? So again, just going step by step, taking it slow, and solving it. So make sure you finish class activity 5-2, and tomorrow you will have homework 9-2. Let me know if you have any questions.